Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ay namin ang aking mga golden friends. Pupuntahan ko sila at mag-get together kami doon. Ngayon, so ito ang na-drive muna for a while. Baka later ako na magda-drive. Depende yan kung hindi tinamad. Medyo malayo itong pupuntahan namin ngayon. More than 400 kilometers. So, siguro mag-arrive kami niyan mga hapon na. So, magkita-kita na lang tayo doon pag nandun na. Okay? Ciao! Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa place ng aking buddies. Ito si ate. Sabadia. Ito si Jack. Char. Ito ang iman. Oh, si Iska Kauno. Moy Iska.
Oy.
Miko.
Hey, Parala.
Hey, Parala.
Knew natin for 40 years of friendship.
Imagine.
Family and friendship.
Ilan years natin?
40 years.
40.
Kaya,
40 years.
Si Jackie.
Was it 40 years or 44? Ay, oo nga, 40 years. Yeah.
Before tayo dito.
44 years na kami dito, but we've been together.
86.
Yes, imagine. A long, long time. Ito yung kanyang mga hobbies. Hobbies niya. Yan. Ay, ito ang mga ano niya, recreation.
Si Auntie Beering. This is Uncle Jimenez daw.
Okay. Get. Without alcohol. Yeah. Oras kayo dumating, te?
3 o'clock time.
I see. Nandun pa kami somewhere. Kasi binahinga ko muna ang aming paa. Yeah.
40 years of friendship. 40 years. Jackie, Ellie, and Linda.
Thank you. 40 years of friendship, Jack and Nico. Meron din siya, oh. Chor!
40 years.
Oy!
Jackie and Nico.
Girl!
Yun, di perform. Ayan. We will have a look how does it feel.
Good. Oh!
Oh my God, I love this one.
OMG! This one I get from Miko and Jackie. 40 years friendship, imagine.
There are still 40 years waiting.
Yeah!
Yeah.
How old are we then?
I hope so. Okay. Jackie, this is our 40 years of friendship. I met Jackie through Ellie, and we had been friends for 40 years. Thank you very much, friends.
Linda and Ili, for the friendship that we have. I treasure all the moments that we have. Thank you, Ili and Linda.
Thank you to the Mr. Shubulong for all those gifts.
You're welcome.
I love it. Thank you.
That is very nice to hear.
Yes, he is the one who chose them.
Miss you, our dear friend Sonny.
Yeah, Ate
Even though you are
Sonny.
not here with us, but still, you are in our heart.
Yes.
Heart. Yeah. So,
We miss you, Ate Sonny.
We wish you were here.
Yeah.
yeah,
Sana nandito ka.
Next time.
Papa, Nico. Okay.
44 years they've been together. Hi guys, ngayon ay Sabado. Malamig ngayon dito. But today, we're having a party. Dito kami sa outside. Gagawin. Ang setup niya, Ngayon, madain ang pumunta mga bisita. So, nandito yung iba. Dumating na. Dito si ate. Nag-grill ng makara. Yes. My ate for 44 years. Imagine, we meet at embassy. Ito ang kauna-unahan kong nakita na Pilipina patungo dito sa Finland. Doon pa ito sa Maynila. Ane, asawa ko, Moy, Melanie, and Cecilia, her daughter. And here is all Latati. Yeah, Moy. Andot.
Heppa.
Hi, Anne. Hi.
There's video na. We have another video. We have.
Okay, we have to sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Miko. Happy birthday to you.
Saan ko sa video na siya?
Say.
Ulin, utan-utas.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anne.
Every summer,
Paalis na kami. Dito si ate.
si Nanay Ate.
I miss you. Thank you for everything.
Thanks for everything.
Miko had been 40 years.
More blessings.
Kau nung puruk kaya kinisarin puruk ka tehan tepit na sta yuk. Yan ang amot kira. May mo sa ulo may.
Diyos.
Ciao bambino.
Bao ciao bambina. Okay, last na kami on the way to Sabonlina.